India is a maritime nation, with over 7,500 kilometers of coastline and over 14,500 kilometers of inland waterways. These waters power everything, from agriculture to industries, from transportation to national defense. And the future of our country depends on how we navigate, monitor and protect these waters. Today, the world around us is changing. Geopolitical tensions are rising. And India's maritime zone of over 2.3 million square kilometers is affected by increasing cross-border tensions, illegal fishing, smuggling routes, and global naval build-up. For us, coastal security is now a strategic priority. Meanwhile, critical decisions, from port construction to flood planning, depend on detailed hydrographic data that's often slow and manpower-intensive to collect. And as climate change accelerates, we are seeing more frequent cyclones, floods, and maritime accidents, where every second counts. But our disaster response tools are limited. At Nehkhilesh Technologies, we are answering these challenges with future-ready maritime systems. We build intelligent electric-powered autonomous watercrafts that can navigate, monitor, and protect our waters without risking lives or wasting time and resources. Our autonomous watercrafts have modular, maintenance-free, plug-and-play design. These are AI-driven and capable of unmanned missions ranging from routine hydrographic surveys to coastal surveillance and even emergency rescue operations. Our watercrafts offer a modular platform to support multiple payloads, including sonar sensors, ADCP sensors, water quality sensors, life rafts, and much more. The best part? Our autonomous watercrafts are powered by our proprietary software and easy-to-use dashboards. From ferry operators to hydrographers, from fishermen to the Indian Navy, we are building tools for a cleaner and smarter maritime future. And we need your support, today, to build the future of the Indian maritime industry. Built in India. For the world.